we have Dillion Latour, Team Associated Driver, Team Associated Proline, and Trinity. Here's the stock truck here, T6.1. We're going to take a look inside. The paint job was done by South Carolina local, Evan Vale. Y'all look him up. He does all, just about everybody in this area's paint schemes. Good guy too. Alright, when I open this up, the first thing I notice is, you guessed it, it's littered with titanium. That says he's sponsored by Associated. Using specific setup, but he made some minor changes. So he's got white truck springs on the front, sway bar. He's got the blue sway bar there. He's got the Kashima coated shock bodies, front and rear. He's got 30 weight in the back with 1.7 pistons. And the thing I like is he wrote what shock oils and pistons he has in the shocks. I mean, that's just, I like that. It's a little tip for everybody. Reedy servo, let's see what servo he has for this kit. See if I can get in there. I can't get in there. He's running the RT1709 Reedy servo. Yeah. Chrome shock shafts, front and rear. In the front, he's got 35 weight oil with 1.6 pistons. Oh, it's a freshie. He built a freshie truck for this race here. Yeah, it's a Dillion Latour. He's got the Trinity RevTech motor in it. Yeah. Slipper eliminator in this truck for a stock truck. Lighting's pretty. Got a center in the back. Let's see where he got his pills up front here. He's got 5 in. Doesn't even have a fan hooked up. Alright guys, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you Dillion for letting me video inside your truck. Always got the Reedy 1000 Pro ESC. Yeah, thank you Dillion. Y'all guys take it easy.